Do you ever feel like you're constantly battling against the clock at work, drowning in to-do lists and needing help to stay focused? What if there were some secret weapons you could add to your desk that would turn you into a productivity powerhouse? In this video, we reveal 8 innovative office gadgets that can supercharge your workflow and help you conquer your workday. Number 1. Wireless charging mousepad. This innovative gadget combines a comfortable mousepad with a powerful 15-watt QI wireless charger, eliminating the need for tangled wires and dead batteries. Simply place your QI-enabled phone in the designated area and watch it charge while you work, ensuring it stays powered up throughout the day. But the benefits go beyond convenience. This mousepad boasts an ergonomic design with ample wrist support, reducing strain and preventing discomfort during extended periods of use. Additionally, multiple built-in safety features like overvoltage and overcurrent protection ensure safe charging for your phone and the mousepad. With its comfortable, breathable fabric surface and soft filling, the Vivia wireless charging mousepad promotes productivity and well-being, making it a perfect companion for any office or gaming setup. Number 2. Standing desk converter. Standing desk converters are innovative office gadgets designed to improve productivity and well-being throughout the workday. This adjustable workstation allows you to switch between sitting and standing positions, promoting healthy movement and preventing discomfort that often comes with prolonged sitting. The sturdy ergonomic design ensures a stable platform for your work essentials. With a weight capacity of up to 30 pounds, the 36-inch wide desktop provides ample space for dual monitors, allowing you to stay organized and efficient while tackling your tasks. Whether you're looking to reduce back pain, increase focus, or add variety to your workday, a standing desk converter can be a game changer for your office setup. Number 3. Smart Desk Lamp. The Smart Desk Lamp is an innovative gadget designed to boost your productivity and well-being in the office. It goes beyond simply providing light, offering a range of features that make working and studying more efficient and comfortable. With a wireless remote control, you can easily adjust the brightness, color, temperature, and set timers to prevent overwork. The memory function remembers your preferred settings, eliminating the need to readjust constantly. This lamp is built for maximum coverage and customization. The dual lamp heads with extendable arms can illuminate a large desk area with flicker-free, eye-protective light. Choose from 25 different light combinations to find the perfect setting for any task, whether you need focused concentration or a calming night light. The gooseneck design allows ultimate adjustability, ensuring you can direct the light exactly where you need it. Number 4. Desktop organizer with USB hub. This space-saving organizer boasts a fire-resistant shell, built to withstand extreme temperatures thanks to the hot runner process. The unique sailboat design goes beyond aesthetics. It facilitates superior heat dissipation, keeping your devices cool and charging efficiently. This 6-in-1 powerhouse eliminates the need for a tangled mess of chargers. With a total power output of 40 W, it supports both Android and iOS devices simultaneously. For ultimate peace of mind, the desktop organizer with USB hub boasts a comprehensive 6-layer protection system, safeguarding your devices against overvoltage, overcurrent, overheating, overcharging, short circuits, and even disconnects. Number 5. Smart Notebook. Unleash the power of productivity with the innovative Rocketbook Core, a smart notebook that seamlessly bridges the gap between pen and paper and the digital world. Experience the familiar comfort of writing on real paper while enjoying the benefits of digital organization. Gone are the days of endless note-taking and reams of used paper. With Rocketbook Core, handwritten notes are instantly transformed into digital text using the accompanying app. This saves you time from retyping and allows for effortless searching and organization of your notes. Plus, the reusable Rocketbook Core is incredibly eco-friendly. Scan your notes to the cloud, clean the pages with a damp cloth, and start fresh. This single notebook replaces over 100 traditional notebooks, making it a sustainable and efficient choice for students, creatives, and professionals. Number 6. Wireless presenter. Unleash your inner presenter with the innovative wireless presenter. a handy gadget designed to boost your productivity and captivate your audience. This presenter boasts a presenter mode function, allowing you to focus on specific screen areas while keeping the rest hidden, perfect for building suspense or highlighting key points. The built-in Class 2 laser pointer ensures clear visibility against most backgrounds. With an impressive 50-foot wireless range, you can move freely around the room while maintaining control of your slideshow. Intuitive touch keys provide effortless navigation, allowing you to advance slides, rewind, or even access a blank screen for added emphasis. Number 7. USB Desk Fan. Beat the heat and stay focused with a compact and powerful USB desk fan. This handy little fan plugs right into your computer's USB port, providing excellent airflow to keep you comfortable throughout the workday. The sturdy design with attachable feet ensures the fan stays securely on your desk, and the adjustable tilt lets you direct the airflow wherever you need it. For easy cleaning, the grill is removable. This USB desk fan is a convenient way to enhance your comfort and productivity. With adjustable speed settings, users can customize airflow to their preference, whether they need a gentle breeze for subtle cooling or a stronger airflow for more significant relief on particularly hot days. The USB desk fan's compact size and adjustable design make it an ideal solution for personal cooling needs in various settings, including offices, home workspaces, and dorm rooms. Its portability allows users to easily move it between different locations, ensuring comfort wherever work or relaxation occurs. Whether typing away at your desk, lounging on the couch, or studying in bed, this convenient fan provides a refreshing breeze to help you stay productive and comfortable throughout the day. Number 8. Portable Monitor. This ultra-portable powerhouse boasts a stunning 15.6-inch FHD IPS display, perfect for extending your workspace and boosting your multitasking capabilities. The ZenScreen's innovative hybrid signal solution ensures seamless compatibility with USB Type-C and Type-A devices, while a USB Type-C connection offers a single cable solution for video and power delivery. The Type-A connection, requiring a DisplayLink driver, provides flexibility for older laptops and desktops. Weighing a mere 1.7 pounds and measuring an incredibly slim 0.3 inches, the award-winning design is the perfect companion for Asus laptops, effortlessly slipping into your bag for on-the-go productivity. That's our list of 8 innovative office gadgets to keep you on top of your game. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button for more tech to transform your workday, and let us know in the comments below what your favorite productivity hack is. Thanks for watching.